DTF Printing 101, a beginner's guide. The basics of DTF printing, the advantages, and real-life application. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dom. I own Whole Printing Inc. I've been in the printing industry for years. I've worked with many big corporations and I help you on your printing journey. So in today's video, we're diving deep into DTF Printing 101. This is ideal for anybody that's wondering what DTF printing is, how to use it, and the advantages of using DTF in your printing shop. Now, whether you're a hobbyist that likes to do this for fun, a business owner, or anything in between, or above, or beneath that, whatever the case may be, this video is going to be very helpful. So what exactly is DTF printing? DTF stands for direct to film. It's a process where an image is printed on a digital film. That film, once printed, is coated with an adhesive powder. Once that powder is baked with the film that passed through the printer, and the powder is now baked on the other side of the film, it is then heated up or cured, and then that print ready film can be transferred on different types of materials using a heat press, using an iron, many different ways to heat apply, but pretty simple, right? Now that you know a bit what DTF is and how it's made, what are the advantages of DTF printing? For some of you guys that might be familiar with DTG printing, you actually don't need to pre-treat the garment. Also, comparatively to screen printing, which some of you might be familiar, is basically taking an empty screen, putting emulsion on it, and then making that screen sit for a while until the emulsions harden, and then from there, actually going ahead and burning your image through the stencil, pressure washing the screen so you can expose the print ready stencil, applying the stencil or the screen on the screen printing press, applying ink, squeegeeing it, and then applying different screens for different colors so you layer your screen printing. DTF printing removes all of that tedious, messy work and makes it simple, effective, durable, and it's pretty much a no-brainer, especially for those smaller orders. DTF printing is versatile. You can use DTF printing for t-shirts, hoodies, hats. A bunch of different garments can be DTF printed, and especially hats. Think about it guys, you can't really screen print on a hat. Most of the times you would have to use a plastisol heat transfer, or in this case DTF. If you want to make merch for your clothing brand, for your band, for local companies, for your small hobbies, for your smaller projects, DTF printing is a no-brainer, especially buying a DTF L1800 printer or buying transfers online. Even for bigger productions, we've worked with big corporations, over 2,400 pieces with 3 prints on the garments, and DTF printing has served us very well. Now, is DTF printing right for you? You've heard what it is, how it's made, some of the projects you might be able to use DTF printing on, but is it a good fit for you? Now obviously, if you guys have been screen printing for a while and you're familiar with the process, I still think screen printing is a powerful and durable method, especially for those one-color jobs and big production. But when it comes to smaller projects, printing on hats, or even those bigger jobs, DTF printing could be right for you, especially if you're not too educated on how screen printing works and all of the smaller steps you need to do for screen printing. DTF might be a better and simpler solution for you. Now you have a few ways of going about it. You can buy a small converted printer, you can buy a big commercial printer like we have in the back, or you can buy transfers online. I made a bunch of different videos on my YouTube channel outlining what the best option is for you. We're all in different situations, whether it be financially, time-wise. Make sure you understand your specific situation before you buy your own DTF printer or you start sourcing your transfers online. Make sure you buy from a reputable supplier, either for your own DTF printer or for buying transfers online, and make sure you're educated before you continue or begin your new process in DTF printing. Hopefully this quick video gives you a better idea of what you're getting yourself into, what DTF printing is, how to use it, and what is the best case scenario for you. If you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Whole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.